Welcome in. Today I'm succumbing to peer pressure because everybody and their grandma asked me to make a tutorial for my janky Roblox grab and carry system. Yeah, it's true. There's probably several better ways to do this, but since you all asked for a tutorial for mine, this is what I'll give you. We're going right in there with a new part, or whatever you want to be picked up and carried. I'm using a box. In this object, insert a proximity prompt, then set the action text to pick up. Inside the proximity prompt, add a new script, just a normal one. This is where the fun begins. I'm giddy with excitement, and also sarcasm. Okay, let's start out with the hardest line in the entire script, just to get it over with and out of the way. Grabbed equals false. Done. The script will use this to know if the part is currently being carried or not. Follow that up with the second hardest line in the script, current player equals quotes quotes. The script will use this to know who is currently holding the part so that players can't steal the part from each other. Basically, it makes sure that only one player can carry the part at a time. Follow that line up with part equals script.parent.parent. Then make an anonymous function. If you don't know what that is, don't think about it, just type along with me. Script.parent.triggered:connect function player. Now is a good time to mention, make sure that all of your casing matches mine exactly. Did I type in uppercase C? Well then you darn well better make that C uppercase as well, because if you don't, I'm gonna track you down and open all of your kitchen cabinets while you sleep. Also, your script won't work. So basically just make sure that pretty much every character and every inch of your script matches mine exactly. Inside this function, there will be two different sections, pick up and let go. I am going to label them as such, and I encourage you to do the same. Under the pick up section, if grabbed equals false, then current player equals player.name. Remember to match casing. Local head equals player.character.head. Remember to match casing. We're basically just telling the script what everything is. Now we're going to tell the script where everything is. And then maybe we'll get lucky and have a chance to tell the script why everything is. Local x equals head.cframe.x. Local y equals head.cframe.y minus 1. Local z equals head.cframe.z. Cool. Now the script knows exactly what and where your head is, so let's move that part. Part.cframe equals cframe.new, and then in parentheses, x, y, z. Part.cframe equals part.cframe plus head.cframe.lookVector times 4? Do I remember what that part does exactly? Not really. C-frames confuse me, so don't ask. Actually, never mind, I figured it out. It gets the part in front of the character's head specifically. Next, add another line that just says part.massless equals true. I've never really used massless before, but that should prevent the part from making the player's maneuvering feel all weird and sluggish. Now we're going to weld the part to the head. Yeah, sounds painful, but it won't actually hurt a bit. Grip equals instance.new, and then in parentheses and quotes, weld constraint. Grip.part0 equals head. Grip.part1 equals part. Grip.parent equals head. Dear Roblox, why part 0 and part 1? What's wrong with part 1 and part 2, or A and B? Forget it, now it's time to change the text on the prompt to say drop. This idea brought to you by Quinn262. Thank you, Quinn262. Script.parent.action text equals drop, in quotes. Grabbed equals true. And just like that, we're done with the pickup part. Exciting, isn't it? Now it's time to make the let go part, which is entirely more difficult, so pay close attention. Else, if player.name equals current player, then grip:remove, parentheses. Current player equals empty quotes. Part.massless equals false. Script.parent.action text equals pick up. Grabbed equals false, end, closing parenthesis. And done. With everything. Go on and try it out. Now remember, please remember, this works perfectly for me, so if it doesn't work for you, it means that something's wrong with the script. So keep re-watching the tutorial and keep checking your script over and over again, checking every inch of it until you figure out what's wrong. Because honestly, that's a really big part of coding, figuring out what went wrong. Anyway, here's the entire script from top to bottom for your convenience. Anyway, I said this was janky at the start of the video. Why? Well, sometimes the part just doesn't rotate like you'd expect. I'll buy you a soda if you can figure out how to make the rotation of the part consistent when it's picked up. But as for me, I am all coded out for the day, so that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching, hope it helped, drop a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more. Have a nice day!